Nursery cartoon love journey with Hura.
In a tranquil glade where the waters gleam, there lived a flock of ducks by a silver stream. The feathers shone bright in the morning light, but hearts felt heavy with dreams taking flight. Amongst them fluttered birds of every hue, with wings like painted whispers that danced and flew. The robin sang sweetly, the lark soared high, while ducks paddled slowly, gazing at the sky. Why'd you linger? Chirped a bold little wren. You've got such fine bodies, don't be tethered again. Spread those downy wings and join us up there. Feel the wind in your feathers, taste freedom's sweet air. But the ducks just quaked softly and shook their heads low. We love this cool water, it's all we know. We swim with our families, we dive and we play. What joy can be found in flying away? Yet as twilight fell gently and shadows grew long, a yearning awoke to a distant bird's song. The nightingale's melody tugged at their souls, a longing for skies beyond rippling shoals. One brave duck named Dilly glanced at the stars. Perhaps there's more waiting beyond these soft bars. With courage igniting a heart like a flame, she took to the water to answer her name. And so she paddled towards an unseen shore, her spirit now soaring where never before. The moonlight embraced her as she leapt from the lake. With each stroke of her wings she could feel herself break. Up into the heavens where starlight entwined, she danced through celestial realms unconfined. Her fellow ducks watched as they quacked in surprise, for one among them had dared to arise. Dilly found beauty in heights yet untold, in friendship with breezes that sparkled like gold. From above she called down to those still below, come fly with me now, let your hearts freely flow. So one by one they ventured from shore, feeling winds cradle them, longing no more. Together they spiraled through soft evening air. In laughter and joy they discovered their share. Now every dusk gathers both birds and ducks near. They sing under moonlight without any fear. For sometimes it takes but a single brave heart to show all its kin how true freedom can start. So listen, dear friend, when you gaze at night skies, there's magic in dreams if you're willing to rise. Like ducks who once swam, now soaring on high. Embrace what you yearn for, let your spirit fly.
Pond where the lilies sway, live 5 little ducks, bright as the day. With quacks of delight they splashed all around, but soon grew curious at what could be found. One sunny morn with feathers aglow, they spied a tall figure with a stately flow. An ostrich so grand in a dance of his own, he towered above them, oh how he had grown. Good day, quacked the leader, bold and sincere. What brings you to our pond? We've been waiting here. The ostrich looked down with eyes wide and wise. I seek friends, he said, I'm tired of goodbyes. The ducks exchanged glances, they'd never seen such grace. A creature so different from their cozy place. Join us for swimming, the smallest one cried. We'll teach you to dive, come on now, don't hide. So into the water with flaps and with cheers, the ostrich stepped gently, overcoming his fears. At first he was clumsy, but soon found his stride. With each joyful splash came laughter that couldn't hide. Through rippling waves, under skies painted blue, they danced like the sunflower swaying anew. 5 ducks and an ostrich, a peculiar crew, yet bonds formed in kindness were warm as the dew. As days turned to weeks beneath soft golden rays, they shared tales of courage that brightened their days. The ducks taught him swimming, he showed them to run in fields wide as dreams, under morning's fresh sun. And when autumn whispered its cool breezy sighs, 5 ducks walked beside him beneath sprawling skies. For friendships aren't measured by size or by flight, but rather by hearts that shine ever so bright. So if you should wander where ponds softly gleam, remember this tale of 5 ducks and a dream. For friendship can flourish
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.